Good morning, Castros. Let's going to correct our MOT. So you had fluent in 5. You had to correct. You have to answer these 5 exercises, and then some of them they could be done mentally. Some of them maybe you needed to do it in a method. For example, my division on a bus stop method. Or maybe some of you wanted to do some jotting, for example, on number 5. It's absolutely up to you. The important bit is that you have the answer correct, the same as I'm going to put it on the board. So get your pen and let's go to do it. Let's going to start with the first one. The first one, we were doing some of those the other day, so you should know how to do it as well mentally. So you know that you're going to have a 0 at the end, and you times 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 8 is 40. So your answer should be 4,000. And we go to number 2, where you have to add 600 at 800. Well, you know that you're going to have 0 at 0 is 0, 0 at 0 is 0, 8 at 6 is 14. Okay? So you have 1,400. Let's going to go for number 3. A little bit tricky for what I've seen. Some of you struggle a little bit with division. No worries, because next week we are going to be looking at division. So we will be able to just recap quick, okay? So let's going to start. Can I divide my 3 by 8? I cannot. 3 is smaller. So I need to get 35. 35 divided by 8. On my 8 timetable, the number that is closer to 35 and it does not go over 35 is 32. So I need to time 4 times 8 is 32, but hey, I need to get to 35. Let's do it. 33, 34, 35. So I have 3 remainder, okay? And I'm carrying those 3, and now I make a 33. 33 on my 8 timetable. Again, the closer is 32. How do I get 32? 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. I needed 33 from 32 to 33, 32, 33. So you need remainder 1. The answer should be 44, remainder 1. Okay? Let's going to go for my next one. You had to add 54 at 35, really simple, no regrouping. 4 at 5 is 9, 5 at 3 is 8. And the last one, maybe some of you need jotting, I'm going to jot. 7 at 3 is 13. 8 at 3 is 11, at 1 is 12. 3 at 4 is 7, at 1 is 8. 1 at 8 is 9. Okay, 9,823. Right, I'm going to give you 5 exercises that I would like you to do on this MOT today, and we will be correcting them on Monday. And those exercises are going to be just to practice what we've been learning this week, okay? So get your pen. Today is the 15th of the 1st of the 21st, and we are going to do our MOT. Let me get closer. I want you to do with a written method. Okay, I'm going to put it in another color so you see it. I want you to work out using a written method, which means using a long multiplication as a column, okay, as a column method. Can you do 2,323 times 32, and can you do 2,134 times 23? Okay, next, Can you please do it using a grid method? Remember that that's the first day when we came back and we started our first day of lockdown. We were looking at that grid method. That it was Tuesday, last Tuesday, I think that it was, because I forgot already. Number 3, using a grid method. Remember that the grid method looked like a grid, and then you have like that, and you have a times there, number, and your answers in there, and then you add it together. Okay? Can you do 32 times 24? And can you do jotting if you need to, or mentally? Jotting or mentally? Can you do number 4 and 5, which are? Number 4 is 82 times 50, and number 5 is 2.32 times 4. Okay, that's it. 5 exercises. Please make sure you show me the workout, the different workout that I asked you for, so I can see that you've been learning them during previous weeks, last week and this week. Written method for number 1 and 2. Grid method, which we learned last Tuesday, for number 3. And jotting or mentally for number 4 and 5. Go for it and we'll correct it on Monday. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.